Whether you are new to GitHub or not, some of its behaviors might drive you a bit crazy sometimes. One of these happens when after you do a pull request, you realize you pushed more files than you expected to the remote repository. When that happens, how do you remove files from that pull request? Let's check it out. So I'll use this repo as an example. I'll push 2 files to it and then I'll remove one of them. So let's head to the terminal. Here, as you see, I'm in the test branch, and if I do a git status here, you can see that I have 2 new files, b.md and c.md. I will add these files, commit them, just say add actually b and c, and then I'll push and just make sure that I'm pushing to the test branch. Okay, and if we go to the repo now, we see that there's a pull request that we can create. I'll do that, create the pull request, and take a look at the files that were changed. As you can see, we have the b.md and c.md files here. So let's say that I got here and I realized that actually I did not want to push the c.md file, just wanted to push the b.md. How do I remove C from the pull request? So let's get back to the terminal. I'll clean this, and what I'll do now is I'll type git rm, which stands for remove dash dash cached, and the name of the file that I want to remove, which is c.md. The cached option tells Git to remove the file from the staging area without deleting it from your working directory. So I'll just run this command. We see that C was removed. If I do a git status here, we see that it is now red. So now I can just commit this change. So I'll just say remove c.md and push it. And now if we go back to the repo and refresh this page, we see that c.md is gone.